Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinkin, and in today's video I'm going to talk about that why now the kangaroo market continues. There is a little hopium that maybe in 3 weeks time we can actually start to go up. Why? I'm going to show you the reason in this video. Also, let's talk about that China makes its first major monetary easing in 14 years. I'm also going to talk about the altcoin Bitcoin season, where right now Donald Trump's company continuously shopping, both again a big amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we have the list who will attend, tomorrow's White House crypto summit, the very first one. Also, there is now a competition among the states in the United States, which will get the very first Bitcoin reserve and which state is in the lead. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. So let's check the price. Well, Bitcoin is right now at a $90,162 0.5% up. Ethereum 2.5% up, $2,264. Do we have winners? Yeah, Move made a nice move, 21% off. CRO 17%, Ondo 11%. Losers, well, DEX is down 7%, BitTensor 6%, and P going down right now 6%. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that, well, this kind of kangaroo market going up, down. This was like crazy here. Look at these 2 wicks. And yeah, right now, today, we were all the way up to 92,800-ish. And yeah, right now, we are at 90,000. So a little bit coming back. And today, we are not above this 91,000 trend line. Resistance, yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And yeah, we also need to go above this trend line. So we have some work to do here, but tomorrow it's a big crypto event, the very first White House crypto summit. And now I would like to show you what kind of hopium we have, why actually Bitcoin and maybe the whole crypto market can go up towards end of March. So, a couple of things happening here, which we don't feel right now, but actually gives us some hopium. Nothing is for certain, okay? So don't take it for granted. Anything can happen on this market, but obviously we have to pick a couple of things, what we actually follow, what we believe, and how we can actually set up our strategy. Because right now I really feel that, a lot of altcoins dumped heavily. And we're also going to check out the altcoin season, Bitcoin season index, and what that shows. But very first, let's talk about this. Because, around the 25th of March, maybe the prices can go up. So Bitcoin bulls may only need to wait 3 weeks for the exploding global money supply to make it itself felt in BTC price action. And, well, first of all, what we have to check out, this is the DXY, the dollar strength index compared to other currencies when you're looking at the baskets. And yeah, this one, it's strongly losing momentum since the 3rd of March, significantly. Look at this. On the 3rd of March, we were here at 107 and we at 104. You can see we are where we were basically in November. So this is going down dramatically. You can find the same here in this article. And another thing I wanted to show you, it's the global M2 money supply. And usually they're saying that about 10 weeks after it went up, and it's then going down here, then again, the liquid market starts to follow, and another move can come up. So this can bring us towards end of March, when we actually can see some price increase, maybe in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And also looking at this one here, China has just unlocked a massive 3 billion yen stimulus with rate cuts and bond sales. And well, if you're looking at this one, China is significantly increasing its money supply, marking its first major monetary easing in 14 years. And it's partly because of the domestic economic pressure. We have the US tariffs, and yeah, look at this one here. Data shows that from January 2025, that China's M2 money supply jumped notably to, it's talking about in dollars, $43.6 trillion from approximately $42.9 trillion, what was back in December 2024. Look at this one here. So if that's really happening, it's pushing us towards the possibility for liquid market to pump. When the money printer starts, more money is getting into the market, and sooner or later going to pump the liquid market. So this is some hopium. Nothing is for granted. It's it's not sure it's going to happen, but it has happened several times in the past. And this can be some positive signs. So after some bleeding, what we witnessing right now, we might have some hopium here. But you let me know what you think about this. I just wanted to summarize what I can see here, bring these kind of data and information. Right. Okay. The next topic I would like to discuss, let's talk about the Bitcoin altcoin season. So when we're looking at the Bitcoin altcoin season index, we can clearly see we are in Bitcoin season back again, because we are at 22, and under 25 it's Bitcoin season, above 75 it's altcoin season. But what is happening usually, when we are in the Bitcoin season? After Bitcoin season, look at this, check it out, very simple. An altcoin season is coming up, and we do see that altcoins are on a huge discount. I believe not all altcoins going to go up. Probably an altcoin season starting, all of the altcoins going to move upwards, but some will do better than others. So now the question is, when it's time for the altcoin season, because now we entered into the Bitcoin season, and after some sideways movements here, we can actually start to go up, which can bring some attention to altcoins again. And look what Donald Trump is doing. Tomorrow we have this meeting, the summit, the crypto summit in the White House, and the company of Donald Trump just bought again a $10 million worth of ETH and Bitcoin. So they keep doing their shopping. So I don't know what they announce. Maybe it's going to be again a nothing burger, because we had so many recently. But definitely the fact that we're going in this direction, that they're regulating the crypto market, working on the strategic reserve, and so on and so forth, it will definitely make crypto stronger. But it takes time, and I believe now they accumulating, and therefore they're holding the prices a bit down, but it cannot go forever. Okay, so that's also something that we should definitely keep in mind. And by the way, talking about the tomorrow's summit, here is the list who will attend. And well, strangely, I really would like to see tomorrow who is really showing up, or how is this list. But actually, CZ is invited. Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase. We have even from Cardano, Charles Hoskinson. We have Vitalik Buterin from the Ethereum Foundation. Some others from the White House, obviously David Sachs and the others, Trump going to be there, Michael Saylor. So I don't know how accurate this list is. Cathie Wood from ARK. But if it's really happening and these people meet, they are really pro crypto and they would like to get the most and the best out of it. So actually that could be nice. I don't know what the result will be. It will be right now just a nothing burger, but it will have an impact on the future. Yeah, well, we're going to see it, right? Okay, and now let's talk about the race among the states who will get the very first Bitcoin reserve. So we can see that actually many states are now competing which one will get the very first Bitcoin reserve. None of them has it, obviously. So New Hampshire Bitcoin Reserve bill passed House Committee in the landslide vote. Then we have Utah could be the first state to hold Bitcoin as a reserve. And looking at this here, yeah, you can see it here. Where are we right now? So Utah is in the lead. But who knows, you know, maybe some others are catching up and getting it first. But that will make also history when one of the states in the United States going to have its own crypto, Bitcoin, whatever it will be, reserve. That's very, very interesting. But obviously, we're talking about nationwide, the big one, and probably that will be on the table as well, you know, on tomorrow's discussion at the White House Crypto Summit. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting one. What's going to happen? But yeah, now what can we do? We wait, and the market is also kind of choppy, going sideways now, doing these kangaroo moves. Well, that's it, what we have right now. But I believe it cannot go on forever. And with the push in the US, pushing crypto and having negotiations about it, how to continue, and lots of positive things happening, which are for crypto, I believe we can see some nice numbers probably in this year. But nothing is for granted. It's crypto, guys. So whatever happening on the market, you cannot predict. You know, it can change. You can see it. It can change one day to another. A major change. Sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down significantly. So this is part of crypto. So please be aware of it and do your strategy according to this. But yeah, in long term, I believe crypto could have a nice future. But this is just my personal opinion. What is yours? You can let me know in the comment section. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day, I'm bringing you the freshest crypto and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.